Is it recording? What's happening? Brand new whip, what's poppin'? That's not the words. That's not the words. How y'all doing? We back, baby. I probably should have just put both of them in the same thing, but anyway, now I'm back. Another reaction. We are listening to Rain on Me, Lady Gaga featuring Ariana Grande. No, I don't think y'all heard me. I said Lady Gaga featuring Ariana Grande. Stand. I have to stand. Are y'all for real? Those two names should never be put together. And by this little picture, I'm gonna get off it so it cannot be black. Do y'all see that? This one right here. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this?
Let's take some calls from the request line.
Time to break it down now.
Come on.
I don't actually think that I'm ready for this one. Genuinely, I don't think that I'm ready. Danielle, do you think I'm ready? Do you think I'm ready to watch this video?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. I'm just gonna shut up and I'm gonna go ahead and watch it.
I'm nervous for you.
I'm actually gonna poop myself. Alright, we got 12 seconds to get your life together. If you're not ready, you might wanna get ready. I'm gonna poop. That's me. Alright, let's do it. Wait a minute, wait a minute, already. 3 seconds in and Lady Gaga is getting rain on her. Get it? Rain on me? I hate it here. I really do. Let's start this over. Is that a knife? It's raining knives. It's falling down. Look at her. Wait. Gaga, why is you looking good like this? That's me. To think that Ariana Grande is in this too is sick. Hey! That's me. Hey! Come on! Rain on me. Is that Ariana? God. Look at the ponytail. Look! Oh yeah! Y'all heard her. Hey! Yeah! Look at Gaga's hair, the bun knots. They're going back and forth. Wait, cause this is about to be me. No, go back. This is about to be me. I'm sorry. I can't. I'm sorry. This is me. Rain on me. Rain on me. That's me right there. Rain on me. Rain. Are you serious? Rain on me.
A few moments later.
All this money in a room, think some scammers in here. I'm coming straight up out that third. I whip the whip like I stirred it. Wood grain, we swerving, keeping his mind all on these curves.
Are you serious? Are you serious? They got 3 outfit changes. Look at this. Catch me learning this tomorrow. Wait! Ariana, they look similar. Whoa, wait, the wind is blowing the weed. Oh my God, look at their hair. Stop. I love this. Stop, they're friends. I can't do nothing else. I have to laugh once again. I don't want it. I don't want it. They can have all of it back. That's disrespectful. That's illegal. That should really be illegal to be, you know, look that good and sing that good and probably taste that good. There's just be illegal. It should really just be illegal. Kind of upset that that was able to happen. I'm still stuck. Gaga said, rain, rain. Are you for real? This is why I don't do reactions. This is why I've been gone 3 weeks, because of the music that's coming like that. That is Mew Mew. That is Mew Mew. They went back and forth in verses. Ariana was doing her verse, but in between, Gaga was coming through like this. You know, Ariana trying to, you know, just trying to be a simple girl, singing her. Gaga was coming through like this. Ariana didn't, she had a pony, straight. Gaga, pony, bun knots. What are those called? Bantu knots, Buntu, bumblebee, jambalaya. I don't know, something like around those edges. Hedgehogs over the hedge. I don't know. She didn't even give me time to hear the beat come in. It said. Sickening. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for coming to my channel. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it does. Y'all know who I be. Y'all know where I be. Y'all know that my first name is Romero and my last name is G. I'm done. Whack ass hoe.
This beat for murder. Yeah. OG Parker. Say